Hello everyone, this is Timmy and welcome here to Timmy-Crypto. As you all know what we do on this channel, we talk about crypto and we'll bring to you the latest crypto update. I'll be talking about the last video I dropped day before yesterday. I was trying to make a withdrawal from the video from the site, not quite long. Then I see that they have already blocked the withdrawal space and they have already prompted everybody before making withdrawal to deposit, whereas we should all know on this channel we don't do any deposit stuff. Anybody that deposit is at your own risk, so be watchful and be careful. Already find out a new ways of getting PepeCoin, which is more easier and also it pays higher than the former website. So it's a Telegram bot which I'll be showing you, which I've already made a withdrawal and I will still be making it on this video as confirmation. So let's go to Telegram, use the bot. Firstly, let me make a withdrawal. So as a beginner without referral, your daily withdrawal is 500 Pepe. As you can see, the payment is instant and successful. So let me take you to my faucet page and let's check. So let's take a look at and do this. So as you can see, this is the withdrawal, 500 Pepe on the 16th, which is today. And it's free, so this is currency. Let's go to the bot and see how it works. Sorry. For the purpose of this video, let me clear my history so that we can start afresh. I will be dropping the link to the video under the description. Also the link to create a faucet pay account, I'll be dropping it under the description. So when you click on the link, you'll be redirected to this bot, and what you have to do is to start bot. Then you will have to join all these channels, which I've already did. So I did same. After you join, then you click on collect Pepe now. So after that, you will receive a welcome message and also a welcome bonus of Pepe, which is welcome withdrawal up to as you can see 5000000 Pepe and so on every day for free. So start earning Pepe. What you just have to do, what we have on the menu of this bot is we have imbalance, bonus, referral and withdrawal. So here is where you check your balance and the amount of PepeCoin you're having, and then the other one is bonus, where you can claim your daily bonus, which is every 24 hours. So that's it. And also we're having referral. So this referral, it increases your level. So the more your referral, the higher your level increases. So and the more your chance of withdrawing bigger. So 500 PepeCoin is just for people at level 1. So let's check the level up tiers and see how as you can see, these are the board of referrals and your stepping up rules. As you can see, daily withdrawal limit according to tiers. Tier 0, which I am already. Tier 0, daily limit is 500 Pepe. Requirements, none. Nothing. Then tier 1, daily limit is 2000 Pepe. Requirement, what you just have to do is 2 referral at level 1. Then tier 2, daily limit 5000 Pepe. Requirement, level 1, 10 referral. Then people at level 2, just 2 referral, and so on and so forth. As you can see, level 3, level 4, level 5. So the higher you go, the higher your withdrawal, when your chance of withdrawing. So as you can see, level 5, you can withdraw up to 200,000 Pepe, and level 10, you can see you can withdraw up to 500,000, almost 50 million PepeCoin. So that's it. Let's go to withdraw. As you can see, I've already made my today withdrawal, which people confirm at the beginning of this video. So what you just have to do is to, as for you will have to input your faucet pay email before you can withdraw. After linking your faucet pay email, then you click on proceed and you input the amount you want to withdraw and you click on withdraw. Very easy. So that's it for this bot. Also, do well to like, subscribe, also turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime we post or update a video on this channel. So stay tuned for the next video. I wish you peace.